Two of the biggest names in AI, OpenAI and Google, are going head-to-head in the race for the best AI video generator. Google's Veo 2 has stunning examples on its preview page, and I put those concepts to the test with OpenAI Sora to see how close it could get, and the results were surprising. Let's break it down. First, let's quickly introduce the contenders. OpenAI Sora is OpenAI's first big push into AI-driven video generation. It lets you create videos up to 20 seconds long using text or images as inputs. OpenAI promises high-quality videos with a lot of creative freedom. And then we have Google Veo 2, the newer version of Google's AI video model. With Google's deep resources and the fact that they own YouTube, which gives them access to mountains of video data, Veo 2 aims to produce ultra-realistic, smooth, and visually striking video clips. So I tested OpenAI Sora against the same concepts that Google Veo 2 used with the videos on their preview page to see how they would compare. Let's start with a simple one, the spinning floating spaghetti ball. So you can see here the version by Google Veo 2. It shows a spinning spaghetti ball in slow motion with a background of an antique-looking interior of a home. And then you can see here what OpenAI Sora provided when I used a similar concept and prompt. Both models did well here, with OpenAI Sora producing something decent, but Google Veo 2 edged out slightly. The details were sharper and it felt more real. Not a huge difference, but definitely noticeable. The next one is where Google Veo 2 really pulled ahead. The video basically shows an elderly man looking into a mirror and seeing a cartoonish reflection of himself. OpenAI Sora struggled to get the concept right. The video just didn't hit the quality or realism that Google delivered. Veo 2 absolutely won on this one. Next up is this one, showing a woman leaning into a microscope. You can see Google's version here. The quality is pretty good. I tested this twice with OpenAI Sora and it produced a decent couple of clips, but Sora struggled to show her actually leaning into the microscope in a natural way. Plus, there were some minor issues with her facial details in the first attempt. Google Veo 2 nailed it with a far more realistic shot. Next up is this one of a muscle car drifting down the streets of a city. Google Veo 2's version, while not perfect, did really good. You can see here the versions that Sora produced. The first attempt wasn't that good, but the second attempt was okay, though not as good as the version that Veo provided. The Veo 2 video of this felt more lifelike and cinematic with sharper reflections and better lighting. OpenAI Sora, while solid, couldn't quite match Google's level of realism. So why does Google Veo 2 seem to have an edge right now? Well, Google owns YouTube, giving them access to an incredible amount of video data to train their models, far more than OpenAI likely has. That's a massive advantage when it comes to creating high-quality, realistic videos. Of course, the videos showcased by Google are highly curated, so we can't say for certain how well Veo 2 will perform in broader use. But based on my tests, it's clear that Google Veo 2 has the upper hand since I wasn't able to produce the same type of quality with Sora. At the end of the day, OpenAI Sora is an exciting tool, but Google Veo 2 seems to have the edge, at least for now. But here's the thing. Innovations like these rely on key resources, and a recent move by China to ban critical minerals could have a massive impact on the future of AI tools like Sora and Veo. If you want to find out how this could disrupt the entire AI industry, click on this video here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.